Hold on. This video is up to 60 frames per second, so make sure to change the settings. And today's presentation, the HW Flame 5 pack. Let's get into the review. Okay, so as you know, no montage, no editing, no nothing, simple review, okay? So we're gonna start with the usual. Okay, let's check the packaging itself. I mean, it hadn't changed since the last HW Flames that I got. Bro, I missed that 69 Chevy Nova. Was it 69? I don't know. But I like that picture though. Check it out. So we got the names on the flames. Now in international packages, you don't get this feature, which is something a little bit that I always wish to have. Anyways, nothing is perfect in this world. Let's get started with the, what's his name? 41 Wheelies. Now I do want to ask you, is this car a real car or a fantasy car? Because 41 Wheelies, I don't know, is this a Ford or a Chevrolet? I mean, you tell me. Anyways, let's take a look at the inside. I like the way it looks inside. And let's see from the other side. There you go. So this video, the goal of this video is to make sure that I share with you like every single detail, like the flames, and it feels like a 90 car. By the way, if you're interested on the base, this is how it looks like. There you go. I'm not familiar with that, but I am familiar with the Barracuda. No, that's not Barracuda. That's Hemi-Cuda. Think, wait, 68 Hemi-Cuda. I don't know if it's a Plymouth or you tell me in the comments below. So this is the rare. I already had one version of this, but there was my cousin who destroyed it. So since that time I never had the chance to pick it up. There wasn't the red version, the white and with the red flames. It was a beautiful version. I didn't pick it up. I saw it, but I didn't pick it up. This is the interior. Check it out. Beautiful. Now that's what I call beautiful details. Normally I don't like these type of wheels, but I would say that it looks gorgeous in here. This is the front, and this is the base. Let's go. This one, I have the convertible version of it, and it's 69 Camaro, and was released in the HW Flames of 2018, I believe. If you're a long-time subscriber in the Road Beast Place, you would know what I'm talking about. I love this car, and also this is one of the cars that I drive in like Need for Speed Undercover. It's my favorite game, guys. This is the base. Let's see the interior. You're interested in the interior? Of course, who is not interested? Okay, so I hope that you see something. This is the rear. I prefer the convertible version because like it's beautiful. It's more beautiful, and yep, this is it. This is how it looks like. There we go. Dun, dun, dun. Finally, I have another version of this 500 Daytona. No, this is not the Daytona, but Dodge 500. There you go, 69 Dodge 500. And dude, it has the same color, not the same color, but the same wheel variation. The one that I had was in a single pack, but it's on a single pack, and it was the Moon-Eyed version. I love this car. I don't know why, but I love this car. 69 Dodge, all the 69 Dodge Chargers. I love it. And this is the front. Of course, you guys as always. Interested to see what's happening. And yeah, looks fantastic to me. I don't know for you. Let me know in the comments. And then this one is the Ford Falcon, K73 Dodge Ford Falcon. Sorry, beautiful car. I like it. It's a low profile, and it doesn't make the loops. Yep, I don't think. No, it doesn't make the loops. But hello, sorry, it was out of focus. Now, I don't think that you can see something though, because everything is in black. And but I like the color mixing between the black, the blue, and the light blue. This is the front, okay, and this is the rear. The spoiler is like sticked to the body. By the way, all of these are metal body, plastic base. And this is it. So what we're gonna have for this week is simple. We're going to have an HW track ride coming up where we're gonna test these bad boys, okay? So yeah, see you there. And by the way, this one doesn't make loop. This one make loops, I believe. Yeah, it makes loops. It make loops, doesn't make the loops. So we got 2 cars that doesn't make loops and 3 cars who does make loops, obviously. Anyways, so I hope you guys liked today's review. I hope you will join the Road Beast Place as well. You just need to subscribe to their channel, you know. Leave a big thumbs up so that we know you enjoyed this content, so that we can provide more. Also, take care and see you on the HW track ride. Be sure to be there. Bye.